Hey everybody, it's Amy Graham, the Badass Valkyrie, and I have an amazing package. I'm so excited. This is from the Valentine's Day weekend sale that Anna had on that she had put up on Instagram, and it was 40% off of her stuff. And so today is the 11th? Yes, the 11th of March. So just a little bit under a month. So there are three Traveler's Notebooks in here. There is, well, I'll just tell you, or I'll just undo this. So I would like to keep the sticker as always, especially now that I've got, you know, coffee stains to cover up. Thank you, Tear, my little flirkin. Thank you all for the suggestions on, you know, ways to cover up my little mishap. And I am going to keep everything, so, you know, it is a life book, and little beast is part of my life, so woohoo! All right. Love these stickers. So I'm going to put this over here to the side. Now, all right, there's three. I'm so excited. Yay. Okay, there's nothing else in there. No other stickers or anything in there. So, yay. Okay. So this is the one I'm most excited about, and I thought about it when I got this today, because today is Monday, and I had expected it on Saturday. Had I got it on Saturday, I would have had it on my weeks, and I am sure it would have stained. So for once, I'm actually very, very glad that it was delayed. So So these, I'll have to just work on getting them out of there, because I do want to keep the sticker, but I can open it here. Now this is the Weeks cover in Sunshine. Woohoo! So, yeah. So it's got wheat stitching, or off-white, or I think it's like an off-white stitching with an off-white elastic. And it is the Sunshine leather. And this is all from Mystic's Little Gifts, in case I didn't say that. And then it just has the updated pockets here. So, yeah. And she gives you plenty of elastic to kind of work out how you want to do this. But, oh, love it. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh, and it's a really light brown. I wasn't sure if it was going to be more of a yellow or what, because it's called Sunshine, but I love this. This is awesome. So there's that one. This one, actually I want to wait for that one. This is a standard. And this is what I'll be housing my at least 1/4 of the year in for my memory keeping, because I do that in a standard size Cocoa Daisy insert. And this is in the Raven. Ooh. There's her business card. Oh, and I gotta say, I love her front pockets so much. Love them. So this is a Raven with black stitching and black elastics. And again, with the upgraded pockets, with the card pocket here. Oh, if I can get it through there. It is a little tight, but I don't really use those for cards, but I use them for deco, just some little decoration. But, oh, I do love that. Oh, God, I love those pockets. Oh, and you can get them with the pockets that just come up to here, but I really liked the full pocket, and so at the slant, I just really like the look of it. So yeah. And so this will house some of my memory keeping. So there are those two. And this is her business card. Anna O'Quinn, and her Instagram and her website. So I love her stuff. I have several pocket rings from her, and then I have my blueberry. No, not the blueberry. The orchid that my bullet journal is in is also from Mystic's Little Gifts. So I love them. And then this is a personal, and I have not used personal a lot, but I have found myself wanting it and using it for notes and things for research that I'm doing. And it's in the Indium. Oh, I love this leather. It is gorgeous. So this has, I thought that I had gotten it with, I think it's, okay, it's got the silver stitching and the same pockets, and then it's got the silver elastic. So yeah, I absolutely love this leather. This is a lot like the Poison, I think. The red one, the little red one that I got that has all the natural markings in it. So, yeah. So this is the Indium, and it's a navy blue. And these are, I believe, oil tan leathers, but I love all the marks and everything in it. So I just think that adds to the character to it. And yeah, I just really, really love these. But again, my favorite thing about her traveler's notebooks are the front pockets, because you can just put, decoration. You can just use it for research. You can put another notebook in there, just a lot of different things. So yeah, I am very excited to have these. And again, this is the personal in Indium. This is the Weeks, the Hobonichi Weeks cover in Sunshine. And this is the standard in Raven. So yeah, I am loving these, and I'm very excited to have these. So there you have them. But again, these are from Mystic's Little Gifts, and on her website, is very self-explanatory. And again, I am so glad I did not have that on my Weeks when Mr. Tier dumped all the coffee all over it, because I'm pretty sure it would have stained this. And this is just gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. This one, they're a little bit different textures. This one is not like a suede, not like the carbon is, but it's got a slightly different texture than the Sunshine. The Sunshine, and I don't know if you can kind of tell, it's got almost like a patterned, it's not like a Pemberley, but it's got just a little teeny tiny micro pebbling on it. And I'm trying to see if you can see that. But then the Indium does not. It is absolutely 100% smooth. And if you scratch this, it is going to stay like that. But that's okay. I don't mind that for this leather. And then the Raven is the same as the Sunshine. It's just got your natural, just skin-like quality, the leather qualities. And then it's got the marks that were in the actual leather in the hide. So, because you can see, like right there, you can see like the lines, the stretch marks of the leather from the cow. So, yeah. Oh, but this will house my memory keeping, and I'm very excited. So, I did have a black licorice in standard from Foxy Fix, and I gave that to my best friend for her to go and start using her first traveler's notebooks, which I was very excited. I also gave her my gray passport that I got in the Chic Sparrows last second chance sale, so that she, you know, moved to Louisiana fully accoutrement. So, and this is just a natural, like a natural scar in the leather there as well. But these are beautiful pieces. Anna, thank you very much. They are gorgeous, and I am so happy with them. So I will get these set up, and probably over the next week show you how I've got them set up and what I'm doing in them. So anyway, I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will probably release this in a day or two. But yeah, I just got this today, and I was very excited, so I just had to show you. Anyway, have a great day. As always, spend the rest of your life celebrating, and I will talk to you soon.